Oh shit. Holy fuck.
Holy shit.
Did people call 911?
Yeah, I did already. They're coming. They're coming.
Not fast enough.
Serious. Do you see that?
I've been up the whole night.
Okay, good. You got it on camera? Damn. That just totally put us all out. Holy shit. I'm glad you got that.
Holy fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is... I don't know if I'm too close or what. I think these people are too close. Oh shit. This is no joke. Shit. What the fuck? I don't understand why we're like laughing and having a good time. This is so fucked up. Oh shit. Have you guys ever seen anything like this?
Yo, is that the generator that is blue?
I don't know, dude. But, oh shit.
There's like trees.
Yo, get in the middle of the road, dude.
We should probably get out of here. Go inside. This is serious.
It's not safe inside.
Why not? The trees are gonna stare at us.
Oh shit.
This is not good. This is not good.
This is so fucked up. This is the most fucked up night I've ever lived in. Is anyone else shaking because they're so scared, or is it just me? Oh fuck. Yeah. You know that thing's gonna explode in like 2 fucking minutes and all those kids are gonna get blown away. No, I don't know about that, but I can't even keep my hands still, dude. That thing's gonna blow. This is so fucked up. That's 3 houses down from us, dude.
You guys want power too?
Oh yeah, no chance. Oh shit. She goes, it smells like something's burning. 911 can't even respond fast enough because there's so many emergencies going on right now.
And look how low all of these trees are. By the end of the winter, all these shit's gonna be down.
Boys, what do we think? Holy shit. Oh yeah, yeah. Good idea right here. Yeah. So, I mean...
Let me see on the video.
Dude, I can't right now. Are you kidding? There's like cops and shit on their way. So if you guys have been like drinking, I'd suggest get the fuck...
we haven't been drinking.
We've been picking someone up, but...
Yeah.
That whole generator, I've never seen anything like it, dude. It was fucking like... It was fucked up. My legs are shaking, dude.
That shit was cool, right?
Well, kind of, but there's like people and families around where that shit's happening, so it's kind of fucked up.
Yeah, we tried to.
What? It was like that big? It was that big?
We saw
Dude,
the
I'm
flash.
shaking.
Damn.
I'm shaking, son. I saw fucking the lights flashing outside our window. I was like, yo, what the fuck's going on?
We seen it from the road. We were like,
Yeah, we turned in. We're like, we got to see this.